What's up, guys? We're back with another White Noise online with my buds Chill Rages and Chill Dragon, and this game is amazing, and we're about to start this on a different map, so let's go ahead and start this.
I'm gonna be a god, so you guys can't just look at me and then think of me for my body. And
Drew's gotta be a girl.
Tristan, which slut am I gonna be? I wanna be the slut, you don't want that.
He wants to be slut.
Now maybe I can see what you guys are laughing at.
What?
Okay.
God.
I swear to God.
I think I liked what you guys were watching.
Oh shit, my sanity's low. I need to get someone that has good sanity. I know what that brain is some sanity. You can't see shit, dude. Oh my god, you can actually see a little bit last map.
Can we freaking turn up our gamma or something?
I'm scared.
Alright, hey Drew. Let's sleep Tristan and then me and you will go all together, alright?
No, y'all want y'all to die first, and it's gonna be like me by myself. I'm gonna get free.
I'm the chick. Hey, I'd rather die first than the freaking do it on my own.
Yeah, I'd rather be with somebody to die and then do it
Look at the
myself.
sky, guys. Look at the sky. It's freaking beautiful.
Sky looks beautiful.
This guy shines bright like a diamond.
We need to find something. I'm staying with you, Logan.
You fuckers came behind.
I found a river, does that count?
Yeah.
Oh, there's rocks.
Oh god. Hey, please guys, don't leave me behind. Oh freaking
You gotta run.
Parkour! I can't.
Oh, I did it! You're terrible!
I'm afraid to look behind, guys.
Oh, you can see shadows. That's weird.
Oh, there's a house! There's a house!
Night.
Look at Log Cabin.
Definitely. Yes, Tristan, let's go into the Infinity House.
Yeah, let's let Jason kill us. We need to get this tape. I don't know who's gonna do it though, I'm not. Oh, there's two of them!
Hello? Anybody in here? No.
Anything in there?
I'm gonna check up. I'm scared. Drew, you're on your own. Who are you?
Nah. Drew by himself. The boss is gonna go get killed.
Hello?
Is anything in this place?
Survival of the fittest here, and you're the person who's the slowest, so
I'm going through your split.
can we push people down if like the monster's chasing us?
I don't know, where are you at?
Hello?
Oh god,
We're doing good.
I hear something.
Oh no,
If you take your flashlight off, nobody can find you.
I know. Let's let Drew die. We gotta find this tape, man. We can't go to the taste this map. We can't go to the taste this map.
Christian, turn your light off.
I can't see shit!
Oh.
Yeah, if I see the monster, don't turn my light off. I think I hear a tape.
Good map, Drew.
I'm ready to clutch this, you know.
Yeah, good job, Drew. You picked the shittiest map. Oh, what's this?
Oh, wait, I thought... Oh, guys, you should just stay here and wait for the monster.
Yeah, we can kill the monster. Let's go.
Did you turn into our gay lovers and have boobs?
No. It's because we found a saw mill, and we're gonna put you on it.
Yeah, I'm here, Snakes, so let's do this. So you can twist my nipples.
I haven't found anything, dude.
I hear it.
I hear it too.
It's like the sky is the only thing that's light. Hey, let's just put that star right here. Fucking look.
Sure. Oh, Logan, where are you at? We're passing.
Hey, Drew, jump.
I swear I hear it. I hear it too.
I do too.
Yeah, I hear it. It's right here. I found it.
Alright.
Good job, Drew. Now,
Oh, I thought you were dead. Oh no, Green. No,
Wait, can you both see it or only one?
I'll turn off my lights.
Oh, God, I can't freaking look.
Hey, guys, just found out something. It's dangerous to go alone.
Yeah, I turned off my light. Is he behind me?
Who's this?
That's me. It's me.
I guess
It's
You
me.
followed me?
It's me.
Guys, where are you?
I don't know. I couldn't see his head and I turned off the light. I got
Who's
scared.
this here? Who's this right here?
It's me.
Alright.
Oh, God, no!
Tristan,
I'm dead.
I think we know that giant green dildo thing is where he comes from.
Let's go. Let's
guys?
go check it out.
Oh, hey, I can see the map.
You see the map?
I'm dead.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You haven't been dead before, yes, we forgot.
Oh, no, I'm saying I can actually see the map now. It's not dark.
Yeah, I know.
Try to find us, Logan.
I guess it shows me your light.
I'm scared.
By the way, you two should definitely split up. You should see what the text says.
Yeah, I think we should not split up, you know?
Come on.
I'd rather be with that ass. Oh, another green dildo thing. Ah, get away from me! Don't stare at it! If you stare at it, that's what gets you killed.
Hey, guys.
Oh, Tristan, don't die on me now.
I'm not. I was looking at it and I saw it, and that's what you killed. Oh, God, you scared me. I thought I was going to be alone by myself.
I didn't know what it was. Logan just passed right in front of me.
This builds up so much tension, man.
No.
Logan, you just scared the shit out of me.
I like the snow.
What is it, like shivering and shit?
Guys, let me take you to my dead body.
Did you have your tapes there?
Maybe.
No, you didn't.
Maybe I'm just trying to get you guys to take you to the monster because he said he'd bring me back to life if I gave him 2 souls.
Oh, look, another log cabin. Let's check these out.
That does not sound good.
Yeah, we're probably gonna die here, but whatever.
You don't want me to go in first?
Yeah, go in first.
Nothing.
Oh, there's another one over here. I'm hearing that.
We were at before.
I'm hearing that bum. Check the info just in case we didn't see anything.
No.
Nothing.
Logan, your whole screen's like freaking daylight. So.
I know.
Feels good, don't it?
Yeah, guys, follow me.
I'm scared to turn around.
Follow me, guys.
I'm gonna turn around.
Hey, guys, follow me.
Where are you?
I may be sacrificing you to the
Yeah,
monster so I
let's
can get my life back.
I don't care. Let's just go to him though, so that way maybe he can see a tape and you show us. Oh, that's River Dude.
Hey! I found the bridge. I found the ocean.
You dumbass, it's a river. There's trees over there.
I don't see.
How would that be an ocean? Well, you got
I
fire.
don't see trees.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Oh, like my screen just turned white for a second. It's right there! Oh god! It'll be true!
Wait, you both see the monster? Only one of you.
I saw him. He was right behind.
Oh,
Booga.
my thing. Oh shit, he's right there! He's not even white, he's like brown!
I screamed. All right. Run the way, run the other way.
He's trapping us in the corner. He's trapping us in the corner. Oh, God damn it! He did it again! He's right there! He's trapping us!
Good.
We're good.
He's gonna give me my life back. I told him I would put
Fuck off,
my
Logan.
death.
Let me leave.
He's sacrificing you.
Did you leave me?
Run the other way.
Drew, did you leave?
Run the other way.
I'm behind you.
Let's get across this road.
You guys should split up.
No!
No.
Split up, find more tapes.
Get over the freaking rock, you fat whore.
I hear you, Logan. For sure, somebody.
Now you hear me freaking suffocating.
I'm so scared.
Hey, just look behind. Let's look behind us.
Ah! Oh shit! Run! Oh, I found something! I found something! I found statues. Oh god, my flashlight, I think it's running out of batteries.
My flashlight's like freaking like.
By the way, there's no tape here.
Logan, you scared the shit out of me.
I can't see a tape here.
Why is there no tape? There's a bridge! There's a bridge or something.
There's Tristan. Oh, that's not.
Guys, you guys.
Here, I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you.
Alright, I'm here. We got this freaking Dollar Tree flashlight. I'm gonna
Just split up, guys. Come
No.
on. I'll stay with one of you.
Alright, you stay with me.
Alright, Drew, bye. Have fun. Turn around, Drew.
Nah, Drew, don't listen to him. We gotta stay
I think I
together.
will turn around.
Blood pack.
There you go. Now split up. One walk one way, one walk the other.
Oh crap, filled vagina. I will not do that.
Oh.
Come on. I know you want it.
Well, in these terms, there's no difference between being a pussy and whatever.
It's fine to go off alone.
Oh god.
I'm gonna get one of
We've only got one.
Alright, let's see here. My money's on that Drew's the last alive because he's not a homosexual, so he's gonna leave the girl.
Homosexual?
Tristan's guy look like a fag.
Wow. What? They're the same damn rocks.
Yeah, I know. You guys just split See,
walking in a freak circle, I swear to God.
Get lost
that's all
out
the
here.
Scooby-Doo crew. All you need now is a dog.
What do we need to do? Follow the freaking story?
Whatever, I'm the blonde dude. I get Velma or whatever her name is.
That's fine.
What's her name?
Drew
The
can
girl with the red hair?
Tristan, turn around.
Drew can be the ginger.
Just scared to turn around slowly.
Guys, you should just look to each other and like just one walk backwards and one walk front way. That way you can always tell where the monster's at.
That's a good idea.
Alright. I'll walk forwards, you walk backwards.
No, like Drew has to stand in front of you and he'll walk backwards as you're walking forward. So that way
because then our flashlight will be canceling out each other.
You an ugly motherfucker.
So are you! We're at restaurants.
The monster can't get you.
Is there a tape around here?
Flashlights are freaking running out.
I know,
I'm
right?
glad you guys have found all the tapes.
Sky is like the only beautiful thing in this whole game.
Oh god, you know, don't look at it, there's green dildo. Oh shit, he's right there! No, get away, get away. Oh, he almost got me. Oh, that green dildo showed up.
Tree! No, I'm actually gonna be like, take me, and so you let Tristan be the last one.
You should.
Yeah, where's he at? Where's the monster? I'm down here.
Run to the green statue.
I'm running about.
Where? I'm being static.
Here, let's go. I'm dead.
No! I don't want to do it! No! See your dead body. He's right there! No! I can't!
Bye, Tristan. Drew, let's go up and have ghost adventures.
Logan, wasn't that a smart idea?
You're a bitch!
Now, Tristan, you can see how I felt.
Damn it!
Tristan.
He's right there!
All he needs is a big hug.
Give me a hug. Okay, come here. Give me a hug. Give me a hug, mister. Give me a hug!
Oh.
Oh, God. I hate this. We only got one take. Alright, that's it. That's it for this.
Oh, look, in memory of... It doesn't even show Tristan's name.
Wow, this sucks.
And Drew's